Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night, to whatever part of the world you are in. I appreciate you stopping by today. My name is Lee. In today's eye makeup look, I am still using the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. Today the color looks like this. This is beautiful. So that's today's color, and it's color number 10. It is called Mega Bite. This is beautiful, very pretty. It is gorgeous. I did not open my eyes today to do the mill, you notice, right? I kept my eyes like this. I didn't go wide so I can get there. I just left it regular and work around the hooded eye section. So now we have this color. Now I'm going to do the lids. Now I open and I do the lids, because you will need to open to get to your lids. Now the lids have. Now I'm taking my blending brush, which is an e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to just pass it by on the edge, so I have a smoother edge. Today I'm going to show you how you can darken your outer corner to make this look more vibrant and bold. Very small brush, because I have to open my eye to find my outer corner, because my hooded eyes right here covers it. See, this is the hooded eyes, this is in between. If I close it, it disappears. So I have to open to find it. So I'm going to do a smoky eye. This is another way you can do it. So I take my color and I stamp it right here. Be gentle with your eyes. Don't go boom, boom, boom. Nope, you'll damage your eyes. Just take it and just press it in there. Do a little at a time because you don't want it to get too dark and then you can't correct it, or maybe you didn't want it that dark, so now you have to spend a lot of time fixing it. This is my bone right here, so I'm staying right here so I don't go above the bone. See, I darkened this one right here, and this one is not. Now this is both of them. My eyes, one here, one here. So, and if I open, you can see it's not blended yet. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go a little higher on the bone, right here. Make it bigger, and this one is smaller. You can make it the way you want it. You can have it big so it looks like half, or just a little inside there if you don't want to go both. But this is it. This is what it looks like. You can have one small, one big, right? Now I'm gonna do the other one so it can match. These are the two ways you can do it. And remember, work according to your eye shape. Your eye shape is different than everybody else's eye shape. So make it work for you. You're looking very good. Now I'm going back into my gold and fix over here, like blend them together, make it blendable, like make them match so you don't see a separation. You can do it with a brush. I just like using my fingers. I'm using the Mented foundation stick today. This is the complete look. I used the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. I am trying to put some uses out of it because this palette is good for 12 months. These are all the colors in the back. Today I am wearing color number 10 and it is called Megabyte and it is a gold and it looks like this in the pan. This color right here. I have that all over my eyes and then I deepen the color in the outer corner with another color from the same palette. And that under eye purple is also from the palette, which I did for my under eye lash line. Alright, my little wig is getting too small for my head. So I guess I have to look for a couple new little ones. I don't wear wigs. Only when I'm doing YouTube, I put them for just a hairstyle change. But I don't wear wig outside my house. I wear my regular hair. So this is just for a fashion statement piece. But they're getting small, so I guess I gotta look for some more because the hair is growing and the wig don't fit as much, don't fit as good as it used to. But let me know if you're enjoying these eye looks in the comments below. I am having fun waking up in the morning, getting ready, and then after that I have to go cook and do all the other things that comes with household chores. So enjoy this. I love this. I used to always think silver was my thing, but I guess in jewelry silver is my thing, but in eyeshadow gold is, because the golds are like pop and they are just, it's nice. Anyway, please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. You are important to you. And check out my playlist on hair care, exercise, and makeup. I am thinking of putting just one exercise per week on this channel, one every week, of me doing my Pilates, because I do exercise every day. I do sit and meditate in my peaceful place so I can have self-love and self-awareness, not just for me but for others. Again, I will see you in another video. Bye. Share me, share me, share me. Bye. I'm growing little by little and it's getting better. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. Let's stick. Alright, see? It's off now. Right? Bye. Bye, bye, bye.